Hi guys, a very good morning.
Good morning.
A very fresh day in Berlin, so we are just on our way to explore more things and just to see this beautiful city actually. And this one is the news station over here. They have renovated. And this dome is the Berliner Dome and it looks so nice. Basically it's the museum and it's also one of the major tourist attraction in Berlin. And just right across the museum they have this really huge park where people can just sit and admire this beautiful view. So we are just going inside the church right now to see how it looks like. And now we are heading towards the panoramic view, and it says there are around 267 steps, no lift, and it's a 360 panoramic view, and once you go up there's no way to go back, so you have to be very sure if you are physically fit and you can go, then you can climb these many stairs. Oh, I think we are not even 100 steps and I'm already super tired. Here's the note, it says still 132 steps left. So yeah, we're still going up. It's not even 100 steps down yet. This is still 101 steps left. Let's go. So, yeah. Thank you.
How are you holding up?
Oh, don't ask. I just want to go up.
Come on.
That's it.
We're almost there.
No, not almost there. We still have like 100 steps to go.
Really?
Yeah. Now we have to go right. Do you want me to go on here? Be careful. We reached. Let's go. Finally. Whoa, finally. To get this view. We came all the way up. And this guy was already up actually. This is the lovely view of Berlin city. It looks really nice. So I think it's worth climbing all the way up to admire this view. And this is the way to go down. So we just explored another tourist attraction, which is Berlin Cathedral, and it's a church. It's really nice actually. Once you walk in, you see this really beautiful church, and also they have the 360 panoramic view as well. But just to go up over there, you actually have to climb a lot. There are around 200 plus stairs, but honestly the view is actually worth it. And right now we are heading towards the East Side Gallery, which is quite famous. It's basically the Berlin Wall, and we are heading over there from the metro. So this is the East Side Gallery, and this is where it starts from. This is the starting point for the East Side Gallery, and it goes way till the end. And on the right side, it's all the artwork by different people. It's quite colorful and really creative actually. It's quite interesting to see this painting. It says "No more wars, no more walls, a united world." And honestly, this wall is quite long, and it's all the gallery, so that's why it's called East Side Gallery. And it's really nice to actually come and experience and see the creativity. And we are still walking and still checking out the gallery. It's really long, but it's one of the best place for all those people who love art and creativity, of course. Wow, this one is really nice. I guess one of the best artwork over here on East Side Gallery. And just opposite to that is this view. It's the canal where people are just sitting, chilling, enjoying the view, taking the sunbath. So we just spotted this place, and there are plenty of restaurants over here. They have got Indian food as well, Arabic cuisine as well. So it's a pretty good location to actually come over here and chill around. And yeah, one of the best places for restaurants, I would say. And this one is one of the most famous artwork over here in East Side Gallery, and literally there are queues to actually click picture in front of that. We just spotted this artwork, and it's done by many Indian artists, and it's quite famous actually over here in East Side Gallery. It's very colorful and creative actually. And this is an end to the East Side Gallery wall. And once the East Side Gallery wall ends, just right opposite to that, this is the whole street full of restaurants, and it's quite happening actually. So over here they have East Side Mall as well. So inside they got all the international brands as well, restaurants, and it's a very touristic place actually. So there are many things to explore in this area. Hi guys, very good morning. Today is our last day in Berlin, and we are just on our way to explore more things and just to see what other things are there to do and all the tourist attraction. We are just planning to go to this boat ride. This is the queue for that, and it's approximately for an hour. It takes you all around Berlin. So we are just experiencing the boat ride in Berlin, and it's actually for 1 hour. They take you around all the city, and it's quite nice actually, because on the way also they keep giving the information about the places, and I think it's a must try for all the tourists. So basically this is another location where many tourists come over here in Berlin. It's the memorial of the murdered Jewish.
Für das ich nicht wirklich, ich konnte gar nicht einfach so.
And right now we are going to another location, which is the Victory Column, and that's quite famous as well here in Berlin and one of the major tourist attractions. So we are just moving to another location and let's see how it is. So once we are inside the Victory Column, they have these small areas where they have displayed all the information about their history, about their culture, about their war. This whole area showcases about the Europe and its urban landmarks. They have displayed all the models as well and even the information about the monuments. These all are the souvenirs, and it's the small models of European landmarks. Basically, these are the little gifts from trips through Europe and beyond, and they have displayed all over here. And now we are going towards the upstairs of Victory Column for the view. Oh, there are more stairs. Look at those stairs. Oh, empty. It's like never ending. Okay, so basically we are halfway over here. So this is the 360 view, and once we go more up, it's the top view from Victory Column. So this was the view from halfway. Now we are still going up on the rooftop for the view, and these all are the stairs. All ready to climb all these stairs? Yeah? It's not even halfway. Please wait. Let's go and do this. And finally we are here for this lovely view from Victory Column. So this is the whole 360 view from Victory Column, all the way from up. capital and the largest city of Germany by both area and population, is actually one of the major tourist destinations around the world. This city is famous for their landmarks, for historical buildings, amazing architecture, and their lifestyle also. Honestly, we actually discovered this place and we are in love with Berlin. The city is so developed, it's so organized. It's like another level. As a tourist, there are many things to do over here, many things to explore actually, and also it's a perfect city for all those people who love museum and history. And also I would just like to share a tip that if anybody is planning to come to Berlin, I would suggest to stay close to the Berlin Central Station, because every single thing is very close by to that. And with this note, it brings to an end of this amazing trip, and I hope you guys like this video as much as we like exploring this beautiful Berlin. So please don't forget to subscribe us and hit the bell icon button, and till then, bye.